Hello everyone, Scott Smith here with Aspen Avionics coming to you from flight level 200. I want to go over what the ADSB weather looks like on our different screens here, and I want to focus mainly today on the MFD. So what I've got is the NEXRAD coming in on our moving map, and you can pan around and look at the weather here. And again, this is NEXRAD. I can zoom in, zoom out. If I want information, like more information about this area, let's say I want to look at a METAR or bring up information, we got the little info soft key here. Push in on that, and it's going to bring up the airport that I'm on. If there's a reporting point there, it will give me a flag. And in this case, there's a IXD, marginal, VFR, and the best approach available, which is an ILS. I hit push in on the button. Again, left-hand button, push in on it. It's going to bring up more information about that airport. I can hit the weather soft key, and it's going to give me the current observation, and it'll also give it to you in plain English. And then it gives us the previous observation.
914, double kilo, thank you.
And what's really nice about that is you can tell by looking at the previous observation whether that weather is intensifying or dissipating at the airport. So if you're coming into a place and it's marginal for the approach, you can see whether it's increasing or dissipating in weather there. I'm done, come back out, now I'm back to my current position, and then again I can zoom in and out. And it's a nice picture. It's comes up, gives you exactly what the weather's doing there. So nice looking picture. I can scroll over and go to my dedicated weather page, and on my dedicated weather page, I've got this select weather soft key, weather 5 of 5. I can go down 1 of 5, 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5. And so forth. So on those 5 different pages, I can select the different available options, and everything from my NEXRAD with convective segments, METARs, airmets and segments, PFR, winds, temperatures aloft. So let's go back and look at METARs. And METARs, I've got the little flags, and I can bring up my legend if I want to see what the flags mean. So we got blue, which is VFR, blue sky, green, still okay to go, but it's marginal. Yellow is IFR, and then red is low IFR. Low IFR being less than 500 foot ceiling, less than a mile visibility. Now, if I want to bring up more information about these reporting points, I simply push in on the soft key, it hits info, and as I'm scrolling through, it's going to pop up and show me which reporting point I'm selecting there. I can bring it up and show you that it says, in this case, there's Wichita, and the current observation and previous observation, just like what we saw earlier. There's METARs. I can come over. Let's look at the airmet segments. I can turn on the different items here. So I've got icing. I've got turbulence, IMC, convective, and so you can say I just want to see where the icing is today. I can hit the info key, and it's going to show me for that airmet what that airmet is for icing. That's a good example. TFRs, if there was a TFR there, it would show it to us. No TFRs today. The last thing is winds and temps aloft. I use this about every single flight. The way this works is I can use on the soft keys here on the right hand side, flight level, plus and minus, I go from 3 all the way up to 39,000 feet. And as I'm scrolling up and down, I can see what the winds are doing. And it's like think of like an arrow getting shot to a target. And each of these lines, like a fletching, each fletching or each line is 10 knots. Half of a line, like up here, is 5 knots. So in this case, right here, that's 40 knots. I'm sorry, 30 knots. 30 knots wind coming out of the northwest. Temperature's still +3. This is at 6,000. I keep coming up. There's 9,000, 12,000. I can see what the winds are doing. Really nice tool to have. And it tells us over here on any page we're on when it was issued, valid from 14 Zulu to 21 Zulu. As we're going through and looking at the different products, on the lower right hand side, it'll tell us the age of that. So there's that weather picture's 10 minutes old. METARs are brand new. They just came in. So forth. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, Scott Smith here, Aspen Avionics. If you have any further questions, please visit our website or give us a call. We'd love to chat with you, answer any questions you have. Thanks a lot and have a great day.